statue of Merlin is progressing very well. Pretty much as I expected, according to the design, which doesn't always happen, I can assure you. But I'm very pleased with the progress so far. Not too long to go now, another day or two perhaps. I've started my version of Merlin working from the head down, which is my usual preference when carving figures. And some people prefer to carve from the feet up, establishing a kind of architectural base and allowing the figure to flow upwards. But my preference is to start with the head and face and have the whole figure sort of emanate from those features. It's a matter of personal preference. It's not set in stone. That's my version of Merlin the Sorcerer completed, and I have to say I'm very pleased with the work, the way it's come out. It's very much according to plan, close to the original drawing. There's been one or few last minute changes to the design for one reason or another, but generally speaking it's come out very close to what I'd envisioned. There's that lovely medieval sway to his form, his body apparent beneath the folds of his robes. He has rather an intellectual air, rather studious countenance. Even have leather elbow patches. There's a lot to the modern day academic. Still clasps his bell to the rear, being an ancient method of driving out evil spirits. But I think he certainly has that air of a wizard, sorcerer, and I think he's going to add a little bit of magic to a garden somewhere.
Mm-hmm.